Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best commercial battery chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the DeWalt DXAE 200 Professional Rolling Battery Charger. Known for its iconic yellow design, DeWalt brings us a versatile charger that offers a 200 amp engine start, 40 amps of charging, and a 3-amp maintainer. One standout feature is its alternator check, which tests your vehicle's alternator to ensure it's operating properly. Plus, it has a built-in battery reconditioner that helps extend battery life by reversing sulfate buildup on the plates. This unit is lightweight, portable, and features a telescoping handle for easy maneuverability. In terms of design, the DXAE 200 is compact and user-friendly, with an LCD screen that provides clear operation information. However, its lightweight design may lack the rugged durability seen in some competitors. Performance-wise, it's ideal for smaller automotive tasks like maintaining and reconditioning batteries, but its 200-amp engine start may not be sufficient for heavy-duty vehicles. This model is perfect for users who want a portable, easy-to-use charger for smaller vehicles or occasional use. However, it might not hold up to industrial or high-demand applications. While reasonably priced at $218.44, some users may find better value in more robust models. Pros include portability, battery reconditioning, and an alternator check, while cons are its lower durability and limited heavy-duty capabilities. At number 4, we have the Schumacher Electric Farm and Ranch Wheeled Battery Charger, a true 4-in-1 solution designed for versatility. This charger starts, charges, maintains, and reconditions both 6 volts and 12-volt batteries. With a 250-amp engine start, a 50-amp boost, and a safe trickle charge feature, it's perfect for farm and automotive use. The advanced desulfation mode helps improve battery performance and longevity, while reverse polarity protection ensures safety during use. From a design perspective, the FR01336 features a heavy-duty steel case, rugged wheels, and a retractable handle, making it durable and easy to transport. The user experience is straightforward, thanks to its automatic functionality and compatibility with various battery types, including AGM, gel, and deep cycle. However, at 30.1 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors. Performance-wise, it's reliable for mid-range automotive and farm applications, but it may not meet the demands of high-capacity fleet operations. Priced at $212.99, it delivers excellent value for users who need a multifunctional charger with moderate power. Its reconditioning feature is a bonus for extending battery life. Pros include its versatility, rugged design, and safety features, while its cons are its weight and limited suitability for intensive usage scenarios. Coming in at number 3 is the Schumacher Electric SC1445 manual battery charger and engine starter. This heavy-duty charger is a reliable choice for those needing a 2-in-1 device for starting and charging batteries. It delivers a powerful 250-amp engine start for 12-volt batteries, along with a variety of charging modes, including a 50-amp boost charge. Its wide compatibility supports everything from motorcycles to SUVs and marine batteries. The design features a sturdy steel case, heavy-duty clamps, and color-coded cables for added durability and ease of use. The analog ammeter allows users to monitor charging in real time. While the manual timer offers precision control, some users may find it less convenient than fully automatic chargers. At 28.8 pounds, it's portable yet robust enough for everyday use. With a price of $167.99, this model offers great value for its performance and reliability, making it an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts and small-scale mechanics. Its pros include a high engine start power, manual control, and rugged build, while its cons are the manual operation and lack of advanced safety features like reverse polarity protection. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.